How to manage keyboard input languages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then tap on languages and types, and then tap on manage input languages. Now from here you can add up to a maximum of 4 different languages, 4 different input languages. So at the moment I got Chinese, French, English Australian, and English US. So if I want to remove a language, I can tap on the toggle button and switch it off. Then if I want to add in another language, I can go down the list here and then tap on the toggle button to switch it on. So I'm just trying to find a language that I can use. So here I can tap on this language, and this Vietnamese language will be added to my keyboard. If there are updates, you can tap on the update buttons. It will try to update your language definition. So here it has been updated. Going down to the available languages list, or the section. In here you can download additional languages. You can see the list is extensive and long, so it will support a large number of different languages. So for now I will not download them because I don't need to use them, but if you want to download it, you can go ahead and do so. And I'm going to go back to the top. At the top here, if you tap on the more button, you'll be able to tap on check for updates, and it will check for any updates for your selected languages. So here 65 languages to be updated. And so that is how you can add or remove languages to the keyboard. So if I go back to my home screen and open up the Notes app to bring up the keyboard, in here I can switch between keyboards by touch and hold on this language icon. And from the pop-up I can select English AU. I can change to Vietnamese keyboard, so I can type in using Vietnamese keyboard here. So that's just the search button, so I can go down here. So I'll get out of the search and I'll start a new note, and in here I'll start to type. You can see here the language is different, the character is different to English, so that is the Vietnamese language. And if I go back into my Samsung keyboard settings, in here I can choose to add in another language. So here I can add in another Chinese language. And if I go down to my keyboard, okay, so in here if I bring up my keyboard and touch on the language icon, I can go into my Chinese keyboard and then type in Chinese. So that is how you can manage your keyboard input. You can add, remove languages. You can, if you tap on that particular language, you can choose a keyboard type. So you got Zhujian 3x4, you got Pinyin, QWERTY, Pinyin 3x4, and Stroke. So you can also change the keyboard type for each of the different language. So for Vietnamese, you can see I can use Telex, VNI, Vietnamese QWERTY, QWERT, AZERTY, or 3x4. For English, the keyboard type again will be different. So depending on the language that you have installed on your device, the keyboard type will also be different, available for your selection. Now if you go down to numbers and symbols, you can also select QWERTY or 3x4 for numbers and symbols. And for language switch method, you can choose the language key, or we can use the spacebar swipe, or you can select both. So if I select both, I go to Notes, I can swipe on the keyboard here. This should allow me to switch between different languages, as you can see right here, or I can touch and hold onto the language icon and change my keyboard language. And that's it. So that is how you can manage your keyboard input language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.